So I wanted to talk to you guys about using the PF22 from MTM HydroParts to spray the last coat onto your vehicle. I don't always like to use this bottle to put the last coat into, so I will take the head of the PF22 off. And then I have two bottles. I don't like putting this inside my main bottle that I use for my sprayer when I do a dry application. So I have two bottles so that if there is any residual soap inside of this, I always keep it inside of this one bottle. So you can see there's really not much fluid in there. This just screws right on. The threading is a little bit different between the two, but they're just fine. They go together. You have no issue. You can do whatever you want. It's not going to fall out of there. So you can see there's about a few ounces in there. That's about how much fluid you're actually going to use to do this. Key is being quick when applying it. You'll actually see that when I do the GT4 here in a second. But other than that, that's really about it. There is a dial on the top here. I run my dial all the way down, which is going to be turning it all the way to the right clockwise. And once it stops, that's the setting. And once it stops, just take a slight click back so that you're actually inside the appropriate teeth of the gear inside of this. You can hear it click. So all the way to the right, and then back off just a hair, and you'll feel it pop right in. And that's where you're going to run it for soaps and for the last coat. If you have a lot of pressure, or you're trying to get limited soap, then you can turn this the other direction and you will add more water coming through here and you will pick up less solution. So that's what that's all about. Again, that's it. Stay tuned here and I'll show you on the GT4 how to apply it. So now once you're done drying this with some bigger clean microfibers, take a dry clean one and then just buff the whole entire car over again so you can eliminate any type of haze or anything that you didn't actually get off on the first wipe down with your bigger microfibers. This will also help level the coating technology in this product, so you'll get much more of an even coat, and when you get a more even coat, you get a better reflection. So do this to the glass, all the plastics, just get them wiped up nice. So I'm not going to bore you with doing the whole entire car. I'm going to turn this off now, but this is all you have to do, and you'll avoid any type of hazing or anything strange going on that you aren't sure how to take care of. So again, you're gonna wash the car, get it all clean, then you're gonna spray it with the TLC with the foam cannon while the car is still wet. Then you're gonna take two bigger microfibers and you're gonna dry the whole car. You might see a little bit of blotchy and haziness, but that's okay. Then you're gonna grab a new smaller microfiber, and you're just going to do a final wipe down on the whole entire car, and you're done. Whole entire car will now be protected. Thanks for watching. Hope that all explains everything for you.